S. Ajit Kumar, who is an actor, was also honored with the Padma Bhushan for his work in the Indian cinema. And lastly, Mr. P.R. Srijesh. Hello students, welcome back to Pathshala classes. This is Shashwat Dubey, one of the faculty members of Pathshala classes, and today we are going to discuss as to the presidents of India who have been conferred and honored with the Padma awards. We are going to discuss as to the awards, particularly the Padma awards which have been conferred upon the presidents of India. Apart from this, a point to be noted is this covers your GK part of the section for your CLAT and other law entrance examinations. So please kindly pay attention to the forthcoming slides and the lecture as a whole. Please stay connected throughout the lecture to get aware with the facts which has got a good weightage in your law entrance examinations. So beginning with, on Monday, President Draupadi Murmu has been conferred with the Padma Award to 71 distinguished individuals, including filmmaker Shekhar Kapoor, who was honored with the Padma Bhushan in the field of art. This prestigious recognition, which was presented during the civil investiture ceremony at राष्ट्रपति भवन, ये felicitation ceremony कहाँ हुआ है? राष्ट्रपति भवन में हुआ है, and this is known as the civil investiture ceremony. Why it is in the news? The reason behind this particular ceremony being in news is that President Draupadi Murmu has conferred the prestigious Padma Awards on 71 distinguished individuals during the civil investiture ceremony held at the Rashtrapati Bhavan's Darbar Hall. कहाँ पे हुआ है? Please note again, Darbar Hall of Rashtrapati Bhavan. Now, this particular Padma Bhushan Awards in the field of art has been conferred upon how many people? Let's see. The most renowned violinist is L. Subramaniam. Everybody knows the most renowned violinist. He is a violin player and he has been honored with the Padma Vibhushan for his exceptional contribution to the field of music. Pankaj Udas, everybody would, the majority of you would have heard of his name. Pankaj Udas, since he is no more, he has been posthumously awarded. Posthumously, which means post death. The legendary playback singer Pankaj Udas, known for his ghazals, was posthumously awarded at the Padma Bhushan. His wife Farida Udas received the award on his behalf. Other notable awardees include Nandamuri Balakrishna, the popular actor and legislator from Andhra Pradesh. Nandamuri Balakrishna received the Padma Bhushan for his contribution to cinema and public life in the field of public service and cinema together. S. Ajit Kumar, who is an actor, was also honored with the Padma Bhushan for his work in the Indian cinema. And lastly, Mr. P.R. Srijesh, the former Indian hockey goalkeeper P.R. Srijesh was conferred the Padma Bhushan for his remarkable achievements in sports, particularly his contribution to Indian hockey team. Other noteworthy Padma Shri recipients include Jaspinder Narula, who is again a playback singer. Jaspinder Narula received the Padma Shri for her significant contribution to the music, Indian music particularly. The next award was conferred to Mr. Ravi Chandran Ashwin, who is the cricketer that everybody knows. He being awarded Padma Shri for his excellence in the sport of cricket. Ganeshwar Shastri Dravid, the Vedic scholar Ganeshwar Shastri, was recognized for his invaluable work in determining the auspicious timings for major religious events in India, such as the consecration of Ram Lala at the Ram Janmabhoomi temple and the Kashi Vishwanath Corridor Foundation ceremony. Lastly, Stephen Knapp. He is an American author and researcher. He is known for his work on Vedic culture and spirituality, was honored with the Padma Shri for his contributions to literature and education as a whole. So that's all for today. You can stay updated on YouTube and by subscribing to the YouTube channel of Pathshala Classes, wherein you can receive all the updates with regard to current affairs and GK. That's all for today. Thank you so much for connecting with us.